episode Where There's Smoke, There's Fire. The implications of P. Diddy's lawyer stepping down.
Tune in to Bust Up.
Talk, where the trends ignite. Dive deep in the convo, let your thoughts take flight. Engage with the moment, join the vibrant spree. Your go-to for insights, come and chat with me.
Welcome to Podcast Talk. I'm your host, Mr. LG, and I'm excited to dive into today's trending topic with you all. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up as we march toward our milestone of 100 subscribers. If you're feeling generous, please consider making a donation. Your support means the world to me. By the way, how do y'all like my new intro song? Before we jump into our main topic, let's check out some other hot headlines making waves this week. Politics. The conversation around proposed stimulus checks is still heating up, but I believe it's going to face some pushback as the government assesses the economic situation. People are eager for relief, but as we know, nothing comes easy in Washington. The investment game. In shocking news, a wallet linked to crypto exchange Bybit was hacked for over $1 billion. The company assures investors that their assets are safe, but significant withdrawal requests have inundated them, which could take time to process. My advice: use external wallets to keep your investments secure while the dust settles. Now on to our main discussion. Let's talk about P. Diddy, also known as Sean Combs, and the recent controversy surrounding him. If you find this content interesting, please leave a comment below. While P. Diddy vlogs aren't a staple on this podcast, I felt compelled to dedicate an episode to this situation. When a lawyer steps down from representing a client, it often speaks volume about what's going on behind the scenes. Let's unravel the implications here. Last Thursday, Anthony Ricco filed a motion in the New York City court stating, under no circumstances can I continue to effectively serve as counsel for Sean Combs. That's a pretty stark statement, and it leaves many questions lingering, as well as a lot of speculation. Ricco didn't provide specific reasons for his withdrawal, but he did reassure that it would not affect Combs' upcoming federal trial date set for May 5th. It's worth noting that Ricco had only been retained by Combs since September 2024, so the timeline raises a few eyebrows. What led to this abrupt decision? Combs has assembled quite the legal dream team, with 5 other attorneys still on board, suggesting that perhaps there was a clash of opinions or strategies. Given the high stakes at play in this case, these lawyers are likely looking at a substantial payday. After all, Combs is facing more than 30 civil lawsuits, accusing him of sexual assault and misconduct spanning decades. The gravity of the allegations against him is staggering. The federal indictment claims that Combs orchestrated and recorded coerced sex acts during gatherings that were dubbed freak-offs. He consistently denied all allegations, but if convicted, the man could be facing life in prison. But let's be real here. Will he actually get life? Time will tell, as these matters must play out in the courts. Personally, I suspect some of those lawsuits may very well be money grabs designed to capitalize on his fame. The online reaction to Ricco's departure has been a mix of surprise and curiosity. Many on social media pointed out that Ricco previously defended high-profile terrorists and even defended clients related to the 911 attacks. So to see him step down from representing a figure like Diddy raises questions about his principles and ethics. People are asking, what does it mean that Anthony Ricco defended terrorists but quit Diddy? It's perplexing to say the least. And let's not overlook the fact that Diddy has built a reputation as a manipulator over the years. If he was out on bail, who knows what could happen? Witnesses might start disappearing, and people might start changing their stories. How much of this is fear and intimidation? We know Diddy has a significant influence, and there's a reason people are wary of crossing him. So what does this mean for P. Diddy moving forward? First off, with Ricco stepping down, it could signal deeper issues with Combs' legal strategy. So what does this mean for P. Diddy moving forward? First off, with Ricco stepping down, it could signal deeper issues within Combs' legal strategy. If his prior attorney couldn't carry on, one might wonder about the internal dynamics among the rest of the legal team. Are there disagreements about how to approach the case? Is there a lack of confidence in their ability to defend him? They're more intriguing part in the public perception. Diddy's brand has taken a hit amidst these serious allegations, and with a high-profile attorney stepping away, it could further tarnish his image. This isn't just about legal representation, it's a matter of public relations too. Every move is scrutinized, especially when you're a celebrity. As we dissect this situation, I can't help but to feel we're only scratching the surface. There's a lot more beneath the smoke, politically, socially, and personally for Sean Combs. Will the remaining members of his defense team rally together and present a united front? Or is it the potential fracture just beginning to reveal itself? Realistically, we can't ignore the possibility that the stress of such allegations could cause more division amongst his legal counsel. So my listeners, I would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about Anthony Ricco stepping down? Is it an indication that things are worse than they seem for Diddy? Or could it be a strategic move allowing him to bring in someone else who might be more in line with his defense goals? Leave your comments below, and let's get the conversation started. Remember, where there's smoke, there's fire. In the world of P. Diddy, it looks like the flames are only just beginning to ignite. Thanks for tuning in to Podcast Talk. Until next time, stay informed and stay curious.